All right, hello, welcome to class. Today is Monday, February 8th, AP Computer Science class. This week we just have 3 days. Remember, Thursday, Friday are teacher planning days, getting ready for in-person school starting back up. Today, we're just going to review. Tomorrow's going to be a free response question, and then you will take the Chapter 6 Part 2 test Wednesday. All right, so let's see. So for class today, there's some regular review questions here in a video, and then I have 2 practice coding questions and videos associated with them. So you can load these starter codes into Eclipse and then watch the videos and kind of code them together. As always, I would ask that you try the coding before you just watch the video. I did kind of forget to realize that this first one is actually linear search, which you already did. So if you're done with linear search, you could maybe just do the video and check to make sure your answer looks okay. But then you really don't need to do much else for that. Just make sure that's okay. So sorry, that's a little bit of a mistake. Um, and then the second one, definitely try that one. Good practice with the array list, getting ready for the test. So that's all I got. Just remember everything will be due when you take the test Wednesday. So the practice test from last Friday, along with the programs that we did. So there was that Twitter followers one, and then there was linear search and array list merge. So make sure you have those done. They'll really help you be ready for this test, along with the practice test. So make sure you have that stuff done. Be ready as you can for the test. All right, that's it. Have a good day.